Hey sir, my name is Alexander, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 things that you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. And you're most likely asking yourself, why would I be doing this and what's in it for me? Well, let me tell you. The answer is oftentimes in the world of internet marketing, most local business owners are too busy running their business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their business. And sometimes, really, the only hesitation they have to hiring someone is that they don't know who is an expert and who isn't. And I found out by giving people an easy, free attack plan of actual things they can do for free has resulted in a lot of these business owners saying, "Hey Alex, I like what you're doing. Please do this for me." So, if by the end of the video you like what you heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks on my sleeve that can benefit you and your business, then shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end of the video you simply just want to take the free attack plan, that works for me as well. So now let me tell you about 3 things that will set your company above your competition and not waste any more of your time. So first things first, Google likes content, citations, and backlinks. In terms of content, unfortunately, your company, Central Coast Asphalt Maintenance, doesn't have a site. So I'm just going to base it off of one of your number one competitors, which is Ramsey Asphalt. And this would be Ramsey's site. It's not a bad looking site, but they just don't have a lot of content. The thing with Google is that they like seeing a lot of content. To be fully optimized, you need 1,500 words or more. And as you can see here, Ramsey probably has maybe 100 if they're lucky. So just to put things into perspective, let's search up the word hockey. I don't know, just a random word. You see how Wikipedia comes up first here? Let's search up another term. Football. So you see how Wikipedia comes up first right here? See, the reason Wikipedia comes up first is because they have strong, unique, authoritative content. So they have all this content just for football. And unique is because it's just for football itself. They don't talk about anything else but football. So when you're writing your content for your site, you're going to want to have 1,500 words, like I mentioned, and content specific to just paving and maintenance. So that'll really help your boosting with Google. And that leads me to my next phase, which is citations. So citations would be the number of times your business name, address, and phone number is listed throughout the whole web. So you get listed throughout the whole web by putting your business in a whole bunch of directories. That includes websites like Chamber of Commerce, Yelp, uh, Yellow Pages, White Pages, and these right here would be your number one competitors. So let me pull that up for you. So as you can see, you're right here, Central Coast Asphalt Maintenance. You guys' site name, address, and phone number is listed 16 times throughout the whole web. Your number one competitor, Ramsey Asphalt, is 54 times. Arnold Asphalt, 48. And Gold Coast Asphalt Maintenance, 31. So that's definitely beatable. Very, very beatable. So what we want to do is beat them by a landslide. So I'm talking about 200 to 300 more than these 3 companies, and that's very beatable. So you guys will be ranking on the Google Maps right here. So the little so citations helps for this right here, for your Google Map ranking. So if you want to be ranking right here, you need to get at least 200 to 300, like I mentioned. So that'll help, like I said, with the Google Map ranking. And last but not least, it would be backlinking. So backlinking, it's the number of times a site is pointing to your site. So it's basically like a popularity contest in Google's eyes. And this would be your number one or one of your number one competitors, which is Mission Paving in Napomo, asphalt pavement contractor. Their trust flow is 0, citation flow 23, and they only have 2 external backlinks and 2 referring domains. That's very, very beatable. Like very beatable. All you need is basically 2 sites ranking to you. And you need good quality sites, not just any site. So if you have, like, for example, other paving contractors linking to you, that's even way better, because that would make you unique, authoritative to Google. So just to put things into perspective, Mission Paving, they're in the first page of the Google rankings, along with the Ramsey Asphalt. So Mission's right here, number 9, and Ramsey number 10 right there. So that's one of your competitors, Mission, and then Ramsey. They're They have a lot of backlinks, but they just don't have a lot of unique authoritative sites pointing to them, which is why this is so low. So, like I said, that's why I said the importance of the quality of the links is important. Because look, they have a bunch, 86 and 20 referring domains, but look at their trust flow and their citation flow. That's very low, very, very, very beatable. And once again, to put things into perspective, look at Google. This would be Google. So you see how strong they are? They're 99 and 100. That's because they have a bunch of good sites linking to them. Look, they have over 37 billion sites linking to them. So those 3 things are the most important. And like I said, it's very, very beatable. So if you want to be ranking ahead of them, you'll be there in no time. So once again, just to go over everything, content, you need at least 1,500 words of unique content. So just unique content in terms of asphalt, asphalt maintenance, asphalt repair. You want to include all of that in your site, as well as, like I said, the citations, the number of times your business name, address, and phone number is listed throughout the whole web. And you can include it like in Yelp, white pages, yellow pages. But like I said, you have to beat them by like 200 or 300. And last but not least, the link juice that I mentioned. So the site's pointing to you, which is this right here. So, and like I said, the link juice, you need more relevant sites pointing at you guys to show Google you are the authority. And if you implement these strategies today, you can be number 1. So you can either take the information that I give you today and do it yourself, or if you want to chat with me, totally cool. And my name's Alexander, once again, and my phone number is 805-266-4660. Once again, 805-266-4660. Thank you, sir. Have a good one.